Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the table properties in Google Docs. So here, once you're inside Google Docs, you just go here and go in the insert button, press here, and here you can see the table item, and from the table item you can choose how many columns you'd like to get and how many columns you want and how many rows you want. So let's say we just start with 3 by 3 column and rows. So now we have 3 columns and 3 rows. So let's say you want to create a workers availability or schedule in this table. So here you just need the names and then the dates: Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You need 3 more columns for those 3 days. Just right click here and here insert column on the right. So 1, again insert column on the right, 2, again insert column on the right, 3. Now you can write Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And the names, let's say you have 4 workers in your team, worker 1 and then worker 2, and you need basically 2 more rows in your system to show the schedule, but you don't have enough row for. So you can do it in 2 different ways. One is just press the tab, and in the last column, once you press the tab, it gives you another row. Also, you can do it from inserting a row below. So now worker 3, I just choose to write worker 1, 2, worker 3, worker 4, but maybe you have names like Alexander, Christian, Adam, and maybe Matilde. And now you want to show Monday when they are working and Tuesday when they're working. So instead of just a range, I would like to show their starting time each day. So let's say you have a company that operates from 6 to 8 p.m. in the evening. So maybe worker 1 is available from 6, starting from 6. Worker 2 starts from 10, worker 3 starts from 15, and worker 4 starts from 18. And Tuesday, it's like, let's say worker 2 starts from 6, worker 1 starts from 15, and worker 3 starts from 10, and worker 4 starts from 18. And maybe Monday and Wednesday is basically same, so you can just copy this one and paste here. And maybe Tuesday and Thursday is same, you can copy and paste here. And maybe on Friday, worker 2 and worker 3 does not have any shift, so they are just 0. And maybe worker 1 starts from 6 and ends at 15, and worker 4 starts from 15 and ends at 20 in the night. And here you can see, now when you share this one with your team, they know when they start in different days. And here you can see that this have the font size 24, and the font is Roboto, but you want it to be smaller in size, let's say 12, and instead of Roboto you want Arial. Now you can see that they are in smaller font and they look really nice. And if you want them all to be in the middle, so you just select all of them and then you just go in the middle. You see everything comes in the middle now. And there are many other properties you can use to enhance your table. And what those are? Well, to really understand is you just go into table properties. And now you can see that it has a table border of, the table border is black now, but you can choose to go for, let's say, purple border, and cell background color is the background. Let's say I choose for yellow background, and cell vertical alignment is in the middle. And now if I go OK, it's showing only in one because it hasn't been checked for all. Now I just choose all of them and go again in the table properties. Now I give the cell background yellow. Now you can see all of the cells has become yellow backgrounded, and you see that it has a border of purple. And we again go to the table properties, and you see the 1 point is table border. Now if we just go to 4.5 point, now you see the border is really thick. So we started with a very mundane table to a very lucrative one, and that's just amazing. So this is for today, and you can just play around and make a really interactive table that can deliver a strong message to your team. Thank you very much.